Hi friends, welcome to propertycrow.com. Propertycrow.com is a real estate portal by a company called Real Space, and I am Suhas Kataria. We are very happy and thrilled to bring this video to you, and I hope you get a lot of good information that you can put to good use after this particular video. So what are we going to discuss today? Let's start with propertycrow.com. So what is propertycrow.com? Propertycrow.com is essentially a real estate portal. It's a pan-India real estate portal that focuses majorly on new constructions, new homes for sale. So our major focus, it's not the entire focus, but a major focus is on selling primary homes in major locations of India. Now we have also added Dubai recently to our portfolio, so we are also selling a lot of good homes in Dubai on propertycrow.com. And as I said, our primary company, the parent company rather, is Real Space Assets LLP, and we've been in the real estate broking marketing business for almost 2 decades now. So having the basic introduction of propertycrow.com done, let's jump into the video. So what is our topic all about today? Now we are talking about whether we should invest in under construction properties, especially in 2021. With all these uncertainties around, इतना माहौल risky लग रहा है कि क्या हम अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रॉपर्टीज़ में पैसे लगाएं या नहीं लगाएं, especially 2021 में. तो उसी सिलसिले में, उसी टॉपिक पे आज हम बात करेंगे, एंड लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन गेट सम गुड आंसर्स. सो let's talk about what are the advantages if you actually buy in 2021 at this point in time in an under construction property. So what are we discussing? Under construction homes. Let's focus on homes right now. So and of course 2021. So everybody is saying 2021 is bad, 2020 was bad, and things are very risky, things are insecure, nothing is stable, nothing is certain, the world is going to end, and so on and so forth. So should you still buy an under construction home in 2021? So that's the discussion. So let's see. I would say, as Suhas Kataria from propertycrow.com, I would say that you should buy an under construction home in 2021. There are multiple advantages. So I'm going to list out 6 advantages of buying an under construction house in 2021. So let's start with advantage number 1. So what is advantage number 1? So advantage number 1 is when you buy an under construction home, you are buying it from a developer. So your seller is a developer. He is not an individual. He is a developer. He is not an individual. So he is not an individual. So what happens is you get something called as a pricing advantage, which could be, not necessarily which would be, but which could be much higher than an individual resale case. The reason is, a developer is actually it's a business house. Their business is to build homes and to sell. There is a certain time limit they have to sell the homes within, or else the entire project goes into a loss. It doesn't make sense for him. So suppose there is an under construction project by a developer in a certain location, and he has made, say, 300 flats. He has to actually sell those 300 flats at X price within a certain time frame, or else the project is no longer viable. Why? Because the developer has picked up multiple loans, construction loan, this loan, that loan, to actually fund the entire construction. There is a cost that he is counting in terms of interest that he is paying to the concerned authorities from where he has picked up the money. Now he has to sell. There is no other way out. So you will always be at an advantage in terms of the pricing and the choice that you get from a developer. Now Now add this to the scenario of 2021. What do you get? You get a year. I mean, I'll talk to about 2021 as an extension of 2020. So if you pack both the years together, just imagine what kind of pressure most of the developers are in. They are under a lot of stress. So you will definitely get pricing advantage from most of the developers. So that is advantage number one. Let's jump to advantage number two. So what is advantage number two? Since you are buying from a developer and you are buying an under construction house, you will get payment flexibility. So in terms of your payout, in terms of the entire amount that you want to pay, there's flexibility that you get because you can make a staggered payment. Obviously under construction will be construction linked payment in most cases. तो आपका जो पेमेंट है आप अगले 2-3 साल 4 साल डिपेंडिंग ऑन वो जो प्रोजेक्ट साइकिल है उसके बेसिस पे आप कर सकते हो. और इसमें और अच्छी बात यह है कि सिंस वी आर इन 2021, since the developer does not want any good genuine buyer to go, most cases you will get more flexibility. So that is what is special about 2021. So generally staggered payment plan तो मिलता ही है अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन में, बिकॉज बिल्डिंग पूरी नहीं हुई तो ऑब्वियसली स्टेजेस में ही पेमेंट करना है आपको. लेकिन 2021 में एडिशनल एडवांटेज ये है कि आपको एडिशनल फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिलेगा बिकॉज वो एडिशनल स्ट्रेस में है. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. सो दैट्स एडवांटेज नंबर 2. व्हाट्स एडवांटेज नंबर 3? सो in under construction, generally speaking, what happens is you get more choices. So when you go into a certain location, any catchment area, any neighborhood that you like, and you go and try and scout properties in the secondary market. अगर आप secondary market ढूंढते हैं कि बाबा मुझे रीसेल में मुझे एक 2 BHK चाहिए या 3 BHK चाहिए, तो ऑप्शंस बहुत लिमिटेड रहते हैं. You have to actually in more ways than one you have to compromise कि आपको जो चाहिए था वो मिलता नहीं है generally, but you compromise कि ठीक है अब जो available है उसमें we will kind of adjust. However, when it comes to under construction projects, especially at the start of the project, अगर आप cycle जो start होने के पहले अगर आप land होते हो या just initial stages पे आप जाते हो, so there are multiple choices. You get multiple choices. Okay, so multiple choices in terms of floor, number, and so on and so forth. So if you like numerology, if you are a big fan of Vastu, if you want a certain floor, if you want a certain facing, if you want pool facing or maybe a garden facing or any facing, your maximum choices will be at the start of the project. So that is another advantage that an under construction project automatically gives you. So ये advantage तो कोई भी ईयर में लागू होता है, तो obviously 2021 में भी लागू होता है. So obviously this is something you should consider. Point number 3. What's point number 4? So again point number 4 is somewhere connected to point number 1. At the start I said you're buying under construction project from a developer. A developer is a professional business house. So your point number 4 is the paperwork. So the paperwork for your particular property will be in place because the developer and his team and his lawyers will ensure that everything is in place because they have to sell. They have to sell day in and day out till they sell those 300, 400, 500 units. So they better be prepared. So they do their homework in a much more detailed manner. उनका homework, उनका जो preparation है, उनकी जो तैयारी है पेपर वर्क के हिसाब से वो काफ़ी गहरी और काफ़ी तैयार होती है. Let's put it this way. तो ये एडवांटेज आपको मिल रहा है बिकॉज यू आर बाइंग इनटू एन अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रोजेक्ट फ्रॉम अ डेवलपर. Obviously you have to choose a good developer, you have to look at a good location, you have to still compare the prices. वो सारे factors हैं, but still ये एक एडवांटेज आपको मिलता है. एंड टुडे मोर देन एवर, बिकॉज बायर्स की इतनी ज़रूरत है. कोई भी इंडस्ट्री आप ले लो, चाहे वो रियल एस्टेट हो, चाहे वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हो, चाहे FMCG हो, एवरी बायर इज़ मोर देन अ किंग टुडे, इज़ ऑलमोस्ट अ रॉक स्टार. तो रियल एस्टेट में तो अ बायर इज़ मोर देन अ रॉक स्टार. सो अ डेवलपर हैज़ ensured, rather most of the developers have ensured that all their paperwork are in place. Now compare this scenario with a resale purchase, yeah, secondary purchase. What happens is, since a secondary seller, a secondary seller is not used to selling every day. You don't just buy property and sell it the other day. It doesn't just happen. So chances are, and in most cases ये होता है, I have seen in my own career that paperwork generally कुछ ना कुछ short होता है. After you paid your token, after you have agreed to a deal, suddenly you find कि जब आपके bankers paper verify करते हैं to qualify the home for that particular home loan, you suddenly find कि there are some documents missing in the chain, or there are some documents which are incomplete, or there is some receipt which is not there, there is some share certificate which has not been transferred, so on and so forth. Suddenly, for no reason, no fault of yours as a buyer, you find that okay, loan possible नहीं है, and that actually throws off everything off track. So ये एक बहुत बड़ा अनप्लेजेंट सिचुएशन क्रिएट होता है बहुत बार रीसेल प्रॉपर्टीज़ में, एंड दैट जनरली विल नेवर हैपन इन योर under construction projects with a developer, because the developer ensures that. So in fact, point number 5 is related to home loan on that particular under construction project, or the house that you select in that under construction project. Now since again it's somewhere connected to point number 1 again, since the developer is a professional business, it's actually in the business of selling homes, they ensure that all the paperwork is in place, and all the big banks, all the known banks have approved this project for their home loan. So it's all pre-approved basically. So in most of the under construction projects that you visit, or anybody offers you an under construction project, the developers, sales people, their team will tell you कि मैम सर ये प्रोजेक्ट अप्रूव्ड है, ये बैंक से अप्रूव्ड है, सारे मेजर बैंक से अप्रूव्ड है, HDFC से अप्रूव्ड है, ICICI से अप्रूव्ड है. So what it means is, this project they have already submitted all the required documents as per the bank's protocol to ensure that the home loan is all set and ready. That means all you have to do is go and get your eligibility checked, your home loan sanctioned as per your eligibility. The home loan for the project or the particular property is already in place. So there is something called as an APF number. In most cases the builders will have the APF number in place, and then your home loan just moves like smooth butter. There is no stopping that. It goes very fast. Again, this happens because there is a developer in place whose only business is to build homes and sell. So they take all that pain, all that protocols are kept in place, are put in place, so that your home loan goes off very smoothly. So that is a big advantage. And of course, combine that again with what is happening in 2020 and 2021, where liquidity is scarce. Developers are going that extra mile to make sure कि आपका लोन जल्द से जल्द सैंक्शन हो और उनको जल्द से जल्द पेमेंट मिले. So that's another advantage for you. Now what is advantage number 6? Advantage number 6 is, unlike before, पहले अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन में रिस्क बहुत ही ज़्यादा थे. Now there are risks, but they are not as acute as they were before because of RERA coming in. RERA is I think come around 5 years ago. I think it was the year 2016-17 that it got launched, and post RERA you can actually see all the permissions of the project, whether they are in place. You can go online, check all details of the project, check if there are any pending cases against the developer or the project, and you get all these details, so you can take a very informed decision. and obviously there is a timeline that the developer has to commit as per RERA norms and other such formalities. Otherwise, there are huge penalties that the developer will have to pay, and we've seen in certain cases RERA already acting big time. So that is a big relief for buyers. Now if you combine all these points, point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, RERA coming in, the home loan paperwork all being in place, and the most important, why 2021? So if RERA तो जगह पे 2016 से है, होम लोन अप्रूवल बिल्डर पहले से करवाता था, पेपर वर्क पहले से करवाता था, चॉइसेस यस अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन में होते ही है, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी पेमेंट भी मोर और लेस होते हैं, बट 2021 में क्यों? जब जो साल हम सब लोग वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ डिप्रेशन एंड दिस एंड दैट, बट आई बिलीव द एडवांटेज इज हियर राइट नाउ. I mean, honestly, I believe it's the biggest advantage you can get, because developers need a lot of money to ensure that their business is running. Their constructions go on, their materials come on time. Yes, सारे चीजें. So you need to take advantage because they are ready to negotiate. And if you are getting the house of your choice, I think 2021 is a damn good time to buy.